Hi guys, so this is the new bird we got for Zach because he kept on squeaking out and he needed a friend, so we got her because I was Zach's friend and I didn't have enough time to be his friend all day, and so we got her just in time. Luckily we got her yesterday, hey Zach, because of the cyclone. Cyclone hit us in our area, and it calmed down, it's all dry now. All the pets are inside. Yeah, it was a lot, but we got her the day before it came, so we're really lucky. Her name is ZOEY. Zach and ZOEY. So far she hasn't really made friends with anyone. The budgies, I mean, she was friends with the budgies, but now the budgies are attacking us, so that's kind of sad. But Zach needs to, like, you know, become like, yeah, you could become friends with her. You gonna do that, Zach? Oh, you're so chubby. Okay, goodbye guys.